Guys, welcome to Audrey's Reading Area. It's my guy Big Bird here, my Sesame Street friends. Shout out to all of you guys. Shout out to my grandbabies, Korea, Sanaa, David the Third, and Caden. I love you guys. And believe it or not, I gave birth to a daughter 31 years ago today, August 23rd. So yeah, all right. Thank you for being here. Please click like. Please click share. Please go to YouTube. Yes. Look for Audrey's Reading Area. Smash that subscribe button for me. Smash it up. Just subscribe, you guys. So today is Wednesday, Multicultural Wednesday. I thought Sesame Street was one of the best ways to celebrate multicultures. So I got a Sesame Street book. It's not about a culture in particular. This is about the Sesame Street culture and a few people with some disabilities. So let's just jump right in and see what's up. So put on my other eyes, right? It says, you are one of a kind. Look at the people around you. No two people are the same. Join Elmo and his friends as they celebrate everyone's similarities and differences in this interactive book with textures to feel and flaps to lift on every page. Sesame Street Fun Studio. Sesame Street, celebrate you, celebrate me. So I am trying to look for the writers of the book, but it's a Sesame Street workshop. I will give all credit to whoever wrote it, whoever illustrated it. And it says Sesame Street and Sesame Street Workshop, Sesame Street, and associated characters, trademarks, and design elements are owned and licensed by Sesame Workshop. Okay. Celebrate you, celebrate me. Jump right in. We're pink and yellow. Red, green, and blue. We have skin and fur and feathers too. We think you'll find we're each one of a kind. And he says, I'm green and I'm grouchy. She says, I think my freckles are enchanting. That's a young lady right here. And Big Bird, I have lots and lots of yellow feathers. Me big, me blue, me love cookies. Look at them. We are tiny and we like it that way. Ooh, you could feel his fur. Ooh, Elmo's tummy is so soft. My glasses help me see better. We walk and run, soar through the air. We roll or bounce from here to there. However we move, we're all in the groove. My walker helps me balance. We love flying kites together. Let's roll. Let's see what Grover says. Here I come to save the day. He says, here I come to save the day. Then we have, let's roll. I sing as I walk. How many of you do that? Sing as you walk. Oh yeah. Boing, boinkity boing. Look at Ernie bouncing on this thing. We talk or honk or use our hands and make sure everyone understands. Quiet or loud, we're happy and proud. See that? Honk, honk. Hola, amigo. Hello, friends. I can speak Spanish. Let's see what goes here. Elmo loves you. Elmo loves you. Sometimes I use my tablet. This is eyebrow talk for I'm surprised. Squeak, squeak. That's his rubber ducky. You're the one. Squeak, 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 squeak. And this guy. This means I love you in sign language. Yep. I, L for the love, and Y for you. So altogether, I love you. See? This means I love you in sign language. How awesome is that? Way to go. We play all day under the sun. So many ways to have some fun. Gardening makes my happiness grow. Lumpkin, sumpkin, diddle, diddle. Cool pumpkin. Aw. Anything I can imagine, I can draw. You should feel that. It's so cool. Anything I can imagine, I can draw. Aw. Can you see what he is drawing? With that sidewalk chalk, right? Books are super. Yes, they are. Tell it. Tell it. I love it. This guy sitting here watching Sesame Street Kids, and he's inside. I got him right here. The Cookie Monster. Whatever we do, however we play, we all are amazing. Each in our own way. What makes you amazing? Face painting. We have this guy here. Oh. Face painting. We have try some sushi. Nice. She's opening it up so you can try some sushi. We have celebrate you, celebrate me. I'd tango for a mango. Then we have the Cookie Monster. C is for cookie, that's good enough for me. And then we have, looky here. Aw. Can you see all the characters? They are special. Wow. Thank you guys. The end. The end. Celebrate you, celebrate me. Celebrate all of us, right? Says Big Bird. Aw. All right, you guys. Thanks for being here. Thanks for listening. As I read all these fun, exciting, and multicultural. Got all cultures, right? Right here. So I thought Sesame Street was one of the best books to read to you about different, books with multicultural activities or people in it. So thanks for listening. Thanks for being here. Shout out to my mom. Yes, thank you, Mom. Shout out to everyone who shares my videos. Thank you, Victoria. Thank you. All right. Yes, so I am live at 8. Okay? Live at 8, Monday through Friday. And I will see you again tomorrow live at 8. And that's Live. Live at 8. That's the letters of the alphabet. Letters L, letters I, letter V, letter E. Number 8. Live at 8, you guys. I'll see you again tomorrow. Tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. Here at Audrey's Reading Area. Don't forget. Oop. Ah, there you go. Don't forget, subscribe. Smash that subscribe button. Here at Audrey's Reading Area. And I'll see you again tomorrow.